So for my next project, I'm going to be painting this urn planter. I turned it upside down because I'm going to do the bottom first. And I picked up two different colors of spray paint. And the first one, I'm going to go over it with satin London gray. And then the second one is a metallic. And this is a metallic dark bronze that I'm just going to lightly spray over it and see what happens. Alright, let me get started. So the second coat I just did here and there, a real light coat of thicker in spots. And since it's supposed to rain, a severe thunderstorm coming, I'm going to wait until tomorrow and do another coat of the metallic and the London gray.